Let's go drift it.
Here's the cage. See, there are multiple pieces. So what I'm gonna do first is put the main hoop in, and then put these. We got some door bars and the halo bars, stuff like that. So still need to paint some stuff, but I want to get it at least fitted. Definitely want to install these pieces that are going to support the main hoop first, and then put the main hoop in the car. If you don't do this, the main hoop does not stand up. Ask me how I know. It's the main hoop in. It is extremely tight fit up and around here. Definitely need some more adjustment, but that's where I'm going to stop for now. Next thing you got to deal with is this vinyl cover you have on your wheel well, because this is exactly where the rear piece there goes, rests on here somewhere. So obviously you don't want to drill that or mess it up. So, and look, there's even wires under there, so you can tell. But there's wires under here, so I have to like get all that up, make sure I don't run into that. Get that down. You can see over here, I've actually already ripped the vinyl, trying to force that part in. So definitely want to take the seat belts out if you're planning on running harnesses, because once the part is in, or the roll bar is in position, it's impossible to take the seats out. So what I'm going to do here is get to those bolts, take those off, so it's out of the way. I had to make sure that this here, see from the side, kind of lines up with this, because if before it was around here where it's scratched, and this wasn't getting hung up on that lip, so I'd just reposition it. Now I should be able to put this down bar in, no problem. Really not sure if this is correct or not, but I had to actually take the vent out, because you can see that basically touches the dash, and now it fits. So who knows if I'd actually take the vent out or not. I'm going to try to put the door bar in and see how it fits. Finally got the door bars on one side in. So the door is not going to close with the door card on, so I'll take that out. And I don't think these are like, this was the kit for them or what. I don't know if the previous owner added them on, because they're definitely not the stock ones. Got these door bars in and this down bar mocked up. I still have to paint it, but I'm going to do that because I'm going to have to pull out the, I might have to pull some of the cage out to drill the holes anyway. Right now I'm trying to fit the top bar, but I have a slight issue. See here, it's all the way up against this plastic, and should be the same over here, but this bar is too big, so we gotta figure out what's going on. In an effort to get it fit better, I had taken the weather strip off right here, and then I took a screwdriver and pushed it in here like so under the molding. I popped off the molding here. You can see it. It's got little clips. Just make sure you get this post off first so it don't break, and then pull the clips off. So not too bad. Hopefully that gets me the clearance I need. Pop this molding off from up here just to try to get this bar over more. I think worst case I'll take out the headliner, but I really don't want to do that. Removing those trim pieces worked. Got this upper bar now in. Got everything backed up. Got the door card off. Yeah, there's no way you can run door bars with the door cards, unfortunately. And I'm going to mock up where I need to drill some holes. And then I will mount this thing in. It's because my head is super close. I'm going to cut this out. And unfortunately, there's really nothing you can do to Unfortunately, there's nothing more you can do to move this bar over, so it is what it is. Put the seat in for some mock-up. My most concerning issue is this space between the seat and this bar. You can see that obviously my head's gonna be somewhere around there, and it's gonna be a very tight fit. So I'm gonna try to get the seat all the way over to the tunnel as close as I can to offset that risk. To get the seat to fit better, I took out the bar that was here. You can see the tack welds that were, or spot welds that were, I drilled out. And it's gonna basically get the seat down lower so my head's not hitting the roof.